Thanks for coming, girls. It was a fun day.
You alright, though?
That's okay.
You break it?
No, it just expands.
What's that? You just want to see? I hear a bird. Hear that birdie?
So where's that light?
It's right there.
Oh, flashlight. Flashlight?
Yeah.
This one.
No, not that.
No?
A girl.
I don't know. I think we take them with them each time we go for a walk. That's for a rainy day, not for today. Careful. You can hurt your eyes. See, you have to be careful when you're near somebody, because it can hurt somebody else's eyes, okay? Here. It's a little one. Next time you come and it's raining, we'll go for a walk in the rain, maybe. Okay? Mom.
Silly, Papa.
Is that silly? You don't like to walk in the rain?
No. I'm taking bells.
That's a bigger one. No, don't open it. It can hurt you. Come on, Daddy's waiting for you, and Mommy's expecting you to be home soon, right?
I want to do that now.
You guys can go for a bike ride.
And you make it.
We have a different one. Where's that other one at? There's another one up here. You push that one? Come on, Chris is waiting. Yeah, it's gonna get. See the sun going down? Look at where the sun's at.
I do that
Here,
bell.
here, come up this way. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Hear it? I can hear it.
I hear it.
That one's a camera. You wave. And look, there's another camera.
Hi.
See the other camera? You wave. Who's in there? Somebody's in there looking for you.
Papa will send you the video.
I want to do it now. I want to do it.
Look, look.
Papa will send you the video, okay?
I want to do it.
One more time, and then you come over to here.
And
One more time. Okay, come on over here.
And no, take a picture.
Say cheese. No, just this one. That's the camera. Look up there. It's looking at you. And then look up here, and then when you get in the car, I'll show you. Here.
Papa will send you the picture, okay? We'll show you when you get in the car.
No.
Oh, go get your stuff.
No, we can't leave you here.
Let me see if I can find it.
Okay, you can't go running after the doggies. Hang on.